one more. Dun, dun, dun. Fancy key.
Here is a video tour of our home away living room. Desk. Goes into the kitchen. The view to the basement. A little stove area.
Also known as a kitchen.
This is also known as a kitchen. And then a sink. And then this hidden refrigerator. Oh yeah. And a bottle of wine.
Not hidden.
And then nice sized bathroom with a bidet that I've never used before. First time.
Okay. Is George still happy?
Yes. This is bedroom 1. The queen bed. Love it. Want it. Then we'll go to the basement. Watch your step.
Mind your step.
And then there's a twin bed. And there's a bathroom in the bedroom. Or there's a bed in my bathroom. I don't know. I could take a bubble bath and then lay in bed, you know. And then perfect tiny toilet. So we just had octopus,
Scrumptious. Perfect.
sweet potato,
Loved it.
and spinach.
With asparagus and a bangin' dressing.
Very good.
Come to Lisbon.
And then we went on the rooftop to check out the
Show them the
view.
rooftop, Nat. Show them the rooftop. But we hope you're having the best time. My dog is good. Yay! Good evening from Barcelona. Dad wants to explain some things to you. This is airborne, so I stay healthy on the plane. This is not a cocktail.
Smart.
Smart.
Yep.
It's hers. She gave it to me. Okay, Nad, go ahead. Tell them what happened.
Well, we're currently in Barcelona, but the next clip is going.
Go ahead.
Will not make sense if I just put it, so we had to explain. So we went out of town a little bit. Went to Belem Tower, correct? Had a drink, correct? Yeah, we had a drink.
Belem Tower.
And then we're
Cocktail.
like, oh, we're hungry. Let's go into town, get some dinner.
We wanted someplace local.
Local,
Calm.
cheap, calm. You know,
not a lot of craziness.
it was a long day. So we got on the bus, figured out the bus thing.
Yeah, because we're smart.
We get there, we're like, here it is. And we're like, oh, it's
Super Mario.
super crowded, no seats. We're like, oh man. So we waited, and the owner came over, and he pushed this whole group of people down. He's like, move over. And then, so 2 English speakers were helping us find food on the menu that was not in English.
Helping us find food on the menu. I'm just kidding.
We would have been perfectly fine.
We can point.
Yeah. We got our food, and then the conversation started.
Go ahead, this is good. You're doing a good job. She's doing a good job.
And I was like, oh, I'll get a wine. And it came like in this chalice. What would you call it? A chalice?
Pitcher. It was a tiny wine pitcher.
A tiny wine pitcher.
I think she got a liter.
There's probably about 4 glasses of wine in it.
You're up.
Did I order that?
Come, drink.
No.
I mean, I think she did. But did she know she ordered that? No.
Yeah. And Deborah, what did you get? Like a beer?
I got a beer. Normal beer thing.
We're chilling.
Chilling.
Quiet, comfy dinner. And then more drinks came.
So yeah, so they were being really nice, and they helped us order our food.
They're super nice.
And then they helped us order port, and then they helped us order a random shot of some clear, horrible liquid, and then they helped us order beers and beers and beers.
Oh, and a coffee.
And a coffee. It was delicious. We had some Portuguese delicacies, like these whole little baby mackerels that they just like fried, and you ate the whole thing except for the tail. And then
One
some
bite.
delicious cod. Nad's eaten like 8 pounds of cod since she's been here. She really likes it.
And then we told the owner, we're like, you're on YouTube. He's like, no.
His name was Americo, by the way, which is like a fantastic name.
And as you would have guessed, things escalated, and it got louder, and Deborah was singing to other tables.
No, lies.
You
I
weren't.
clapped.
No, you were
I clapped.
singing.
What did I sing?
I don't.
Okay, the other tables were yelling, like
Okay.
shouting.
Yeah.
I was not the loudest person in the restaurant, which makes me like the Portuguese a lot.
Paga a conta toda. Ela está a filmar, seu menino. Do
What else do we need? What else
fit
do
in
we need
very
to
well.
clarify? Oh, but everybody else got drunk too?
More.
Yeah,
Yeah. More
at
so.
least equally. So more so.
We
might
caught
be-
up fast thanks
Yeah.
to them.
America, taste it.
Taste it.
Toast it. You have to drink it too. Drink more. You
Drink.
You have to drink like that.
Okay, ready?
Aquela show da América.
Drink.
Vai, João.
So like, the 2 dudes who were talking to us also took scary shots of clear liquid, and then a guy down the table started wearing Nad's sunglasses.
Yep.
And then at the end, Nad and I asked the restaurant owner, well, the guys at the table asked the restaurant owner, because the restaurant owner didn't speak English, if he would be in a photo with us.
And they were like, "Can we get the check, please? Because we need to get out of here."
And we were like, it's going to be kind of expensive. We drank all the things.
And then he wrote on the paper on the table, like
80 euro. 80 euro.
And we were like, "Oh my gosh!" And he's like, "No, that's for the whole table." And then I think we paid each 10 euros
Yeah,
each
10
or
euro.
something.
That's really good. Deal of the century.
Then we went home.
What is that? From Vietnam.